The procedures to install a new milling machine. Cutting liquid tank part. These are the accessories for the machine. Firstly, install a fixed shelf for the cutting liquid tank. Install handles for the cutting liquid tank. Please pay attention to the handle direction. This is the pump. Connect the pump and the pipe. Liquid inlet pipe of the pump. This is the drain pipe. Please fix it to prevent leakage. Three filters. The discharged cutting liquid enters the cutting liquid tank after being filtered by the filter. Power cable of the machine. Powder supply AC 220 伏. Access network cable. Make it connected with internet, so you could control the machine by remote control. This is the air pipe that connected the air compressor. Air pressure should be 0.6 PA to 0.8 PA. If the air pressure is lower than 0.5 PA, the machine could not work normally. Add EL cutting liquid to the cutting liquid tank. The cutting liquid could lubricate and cools the milling burr. Use cutting liquid for metal is okay. Add water. The ratio of cutting liquid to water is 1:10. Stir it for a better lubrication and cooling effect. Now is the coolant part. Open the machine on the left side. This is a square tank to storage coolant. Coolant tank. Remove the pipe and take the tank out. Make it easy to add coolant. Please note, the pump should be placed outside the coolant tank when coolant is added. You could use coolant for car is okay. Add coolant to the 2/3 of the coolant tank. It is okay if the coolant is added more than 2/3. Please note, when coolant is added, please don't put the pump in the coolant tank. Install the liquid inlet pipe and liquid outlet pipe to the coolant tank. Please note, the pump should be outside the coolant tank. When you run the machine at the first time, please add some water to expel air in the pipe. This could avoid slow pumping. Open CNCgo software. When you start the CNCgo software, at the first time, please operate homing in AddVV. If you don't close the CNCgo software, then you no need to repeat homing in the next time. We will need 3 different diameter milling burrs: 3.0毫米、2.0毫米、1.5毫米。T is to process the workpiece the most roughly. 2.0毫米 bore is to process workpiece roughly. .5 毫米 bore is to process workpiece precisely. Jig 90度 and jig 0度 are to adjust holder direction. Remove the abutment. We display here first. Change holder direction to place premiums. If you lock premiums only with the holder, there will be linkage left after milling. Lock the premium and holder. When workpieces are placed, please check if the workpiece is locked tightly. No loose. If the workpiece is not locked tightly, the workpieces will be damaged when milling. Click File to load nested NC file from the USB folder. Choose the file that you need to mill. File is loaded and click Run to start process procedure. Cutting liquid outlet well. This machine is working normally now. There is other way to lock premiums. Use reverse jig to lock premiums. First connect support shaft and reverse jig with mm56 screw. This way will be no linkage left after milling. Take premiums and its lap screw out. The reverse jig size and interface should be matched with the previous implant system and size. Use lap screw to lock the previous and reverse jig. Adjust the holder direction to place premiums and reverse jig. Adjust holder direction to lock the jig and premiums. Make sure the holder is locked tightly. Close the protective door.